Another moment I've been waiting for, time to get these lining panels in. The plan I've come up with to fit this one is to have a batten on the bottom and the top. Another moment I've been waiting for, time to get these lining panels in. I've got all that insulation in place, so I'll bring the bottom panel in first, fit that, and then the top panel. As you'll see, this top panel doesn't go the whole way. I do need to organise the end of that, which I'll do later. After I fix those in place, the next thing I'm going to get into are these dividers that will go below this bunk here. As you might have noticed in an earlier episode, I did actually put together 3 of these. This piece here, I've actually made that up to go at the very end of this bunk. I figured it's better to have a panel at that aft end just to close off the whole area. Although the hull slopes this way, I think it'd be better to just be able to contain whatever's stowed below this bunk. We're moving right along with this next panel. The plan I've come up with to fit this one is to have a batten on the bottom and the top. The batten will sit on top of this engine bed, and then this top one, I've already fitted these battens onto the framing of the cockpit as you saw, and so that top batten will be adhered and screwed to those. That should be absolutely plenty for that panel, and the top batten I actually made long enough to fit that next panel as well. Well, that's 7 fitted of the recent 12 panels made up, everybody, and I think that they are turning out pretty good. In the next episode I continue fitting panels and get cabin 2s near completed. I also clean up her interior for a visual panorama of the work thus far. I need to sort out exactly where the cables for the engine controller are going to actually travel, and of course if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell so you get the notifications. Check out my website. And as I always say, leave a comment because I like reading what you have to say. Although the hull slopes this way, you might, there's always, I think the plan I've come up with